October is National Chiropractic Health Month, where chiropractors celebrate by helping their patients to stay active and mobile. Chris Latronic joins us now in Kaimuki with more. Good morning, Chris.
Good morning from Turning Point Chiropractic, where I just had my first chiropractic adjustment, and man, I feel so much better. Mobility is feeling good, and I feel like I'm breathing better as well. But all to tell us more is Dr. Austin Blanchon, who just adjusted me. Thank you so much. But also, Turning Point has so much good options about Chiropractic Month. Tell me about some of the passive options for people first time trying out, right?
Yeah, so for the first time trying out, so what people can also do is they can request an online appointment at tpchiro.com. For you getting adjusted, we're going to help loosen up those muscles even further in one of these beautiful passive therapies right here. It's nice and relaxing with a beautiful view here in Kaimuki.
That's perfect. So tell me a little bit about what am I about to lay on?
So we have a few options. This option you're going to be here is a hydro massage water bed. Beautiful. Here we also have a mechanical traction machine. Loosen up the stiff spine that people have. So here you're going to be lying on your back with your head facing up.
Okay, let me just lie down. Okay, head facing up. Ooh, wow, water bed. Yoo-hoo! Okay, what are you looking for here, Dr. Blanchard?
So I want you to feel nice and relaxed. I'm going to make sure your head is nice and comfortable. I'm going to situate you there to help accentuate this beautiful neck curve that we have. His back is nice and relaxed. This is very therapeutic for individuals just like yourself.
Yes, for people that are really questioning chiropractic, what's kind of the best selling point you could tell them besides just feeling good?
Yeah, so the best selling points are there's so many gentle approaches and techniques that we can do. If people don't always want cracking of a joint, we do not have to do that. We have many different techniques we can do that are soft, gentle, and as well these nice therapies are nice and relaxing where people receive a lot of benefit.
Did you say something? I'm just kidding. This is very relaxing and so good. Take care of yourself. National Chiropractic Health Month. This is what it's all about. This is Chris Latronic, working for Hawaii, getting my chiropractic health done, sending things back to you.